afternoon. Welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question. Question number 44. And to this question, the instruction here says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that most appropriately complete each sentence. And this instruction is to answer question 41 to 70. And the statement here say it is important for you and dash to be here. It is important for you and dash to be here. It is important for you and dash to be here. Option A, himself. B, I. C, me. D, myself. E, they. Now this question is coming from pronoun. And remember, in pronoun we have what we call pronoun cases. And under pronoun cases we have what we call subjective case, and we have what we call objective case of pronoun. Now it is important for you and dash to be here. We cannot say they, because by this expression the statement point to two persons, and you cannot say it you and they again. No, because they, it's a plural form. It is plural, and the plural form of you, of I, yes, plural form. Then myself is a reflexive pronoun. So you cannot say it is important for you and myself to be here. No. And me is objective form of pronoun, me. So I want to talk of objective form of pronoun. Objective form of pronoun cannot begin a sentence or start a sentence, and for that reason me cannot function in this sentence. You cannot say it is important for you and me to be here. No. Then himself is also a reflexive pronoun, so it cannot function in this statement. So it is important for you and himself to be here. No. Then option B, now it is important for you and I to be here. For you and I to be here. So I is a subjective form of pronoun. It's subjective form of pronoun. So subjective form of pronoun. So you can rewrite this statement that it is important for I and you to be there. It is important for you and I to be there. So R is the correct option. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.